Hey everyone, it is a beverage edition of A Tara's Must Have. What's A Tara's Must Have? It's an item or a collection that I have curated just for you that's pretty and practical and purposeful. And this is one we have never done before. A beautiful hand-painted 36-ounce decanter, but not one, you're gonna get two. Two of these for under $20. You can head on over to temp-tations.com to check out the colors and the patterns. We have Old World, we have Floral Lace, we have Polka Dot. If you're picking up the Old World, it has the braided detail around the top. If you're picking up the Floral Lace, gorgeous! It's got the beading around the edge. I absolutely love the silhouette of these. If you're leaving it out just as a vase, if you're leaving it out just as a decor piece, it's absolutely stunning. But we said there was a practical part to it too, so we actually decanted an entire bottle of red wine. No pressure. Let me pour some. Here's what I love about it. How easy it is to pour. You have that nice wide open mouth that you see there. So whether this is ice water, whether this is white wine, you can chill these ahead of time. So you could actually put this in your fridge and then do a beautiful white wine. Maybe you want to do a sangria in here. You could obviously put champagne in here, or I love it just for ice water around the table. So many different ways that you can use it, whether you're using it for flowers as we did here, or again, just for beverages. That's why we created this as the must-have. So head on over to temp-tations.com, check it out, under $20 for two beautiful hand-painted decanters.